What's up, guys? It's drift day. Mel's super stoked about this.
I am.
She's debuting her color, her exhaust, and we're first.
As always.
Not really.
It's not a shocker.
I mean, there's other people
NoDrft
here.
isn't even here yet, bro.
Yeah, but their stuff's here.
Their stuff's here, yeah, sure. Their stuff.
So, I mean, look at the beautiful morning that we get to see.
Look at the moon. And look at Mars.
Look at Mars.
The moon. You see the dot?
There ain't no way they can see that dot.
Oh, well, there's Mars right there.
Chris is way over there. So he's doing. All right. So we'll start our normal drift day activities. Get unloaded, right?
Get unloaded or, you know, loaded. Who knows? I'm just kidding.
Let's go.
Anyway.
Thanks for everyone showing up to our NoDrft event. We haven't had one in for a long time. It's like March or something, right?
Something like that.
Before COVID, before the whole pandemic. Yeah. So we're a little rusty on these drivers meetings. Yeah. So who hasn't checked in at registration or had tech yet? Okay, so after this meeting, come register and have a driver's band. We'll be doing a parade lap too. So it's pretty much a circuit style course. You'll start at the far end and you'll just follow the squiggly lines. Pretty much. We'll do a parade lap, you'll see it. What else? Pretty much covers everything.
Yeah. Media and newbies stay behind.
Questions?
Questions? No? Alright. Remember everybody, be safe. Think about
Who's gonna lead the lap?
Mel is.
Parade lap.
Mel's gonna lead.
Yeah.
Mel.
Alright, so y'all are ready.
Ring-a-ding-ding!
All right, guys. So we got our driver's meeting handled. Got teched in and all that. Mel's actually already taken a couple laps, and we have issues.
We do.
So we got a lot of white smoke, smells like oil burning coming out the exhaust. We know the valve covers are leaking, but I don't know if that's the case. We'll have to see. We're gonna go drive it some more and see. Huh?
What else could it be?
Could be valve stems. Could be a bunch of different things. We're just gonna have to see. So we're gonna go check out the oil pressure. I mean, it's got oil in it.
Smoking its ass off right now.
Smoking right now. So take a run. We'll see. We're still gonna make the best out of today, though. NoDrft event. Super chill. Super just back to normal. Good vibes, man. Good vibes. terrible job at vlogging today. So today's probably gonna be a lot of driving footage, GoPro driving footage. And I'm riding with Mel right now because we've blown out an axle. But the smoke stopped coming out the exhaust, so big plus on that end. Mel's just trying to make it through the day. Oh yeah, let's hear that noise. Yikes is right. Yikes. Yeah, we're gonna have to change that. I think we got one, so.
It's definitely more fun when you get
Yeah.
the people you know.
What you doing?
Look at it. Look, God, check it
Ow,
out.
hold on.
You don't hurt
Hold
yourself,
on. Done
silly.
kneeled on something sharp.
I think it's bad.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Maybe you could get like 2 laps out of
Look
it.
at all that rust with the boy. Yeah, she ain't good, no. She's bad.
Cute.
Let's get this thing back out and get the shredding, huh? What you say, Mel?
Yeah,
I think it's the same. I hope it's the same.
looks the same.
Give me the bald eagles. Give me the bald eagles. Cadillac. Boy, are you from the Matrix? Are you from the Matrix? Look at this. This is a Matrix mobile. You must be Neo.
Absolute machine. That V, that Cadillac CTS-V,
That V-ball.
that V stand for bet mode.
Later.
Later, bro. How we going?
So it's just after lunch, and here is our sea of dead tires. This is between Mike and Mel. So obviously we're getting some drive time this year today, somewhat. I think Mike went back out on the course because he's not in the pits. So we got 4 more tires to go. 4 more. So still got a bunch of driving to do. And we'll probably be lacking on the vlogging like we have all day. Sorry about that, but
This is how you put a tire on. You're 5 foot now.
is that like a tutorial?
Yes.
Okay.
You use the little feetsies.
The little feet? Okay, I got you. All right. How was it, Mel?
It was good. I broke a bunch of shit though.
I think today's been full of mishaps for all kinds
Yeah.
of people.
Yeah, especially that one right
Yeah.
there.
Shoo.
Yeah.
They're trying to get that on, man. So I guess EYB prep is so that you break your car before EYB. So it kind of makes sense. Everybody pretty much broke everything.
Well, I don't know about everybody, but I did.
Yeah, we for sure did. We broke a lot of stuff. There's we got to address the diff. I think we got some oil leaking past valve stems. I don't know. We're gonna have to investigate the motor a little bit. Car didn't really feel great, huh?
No, it felt great.
Oh, okay. It did feel okay?
Yeah.
So it felt okay.
Especially after we swapped the axle, it felt great.
Okay, so the axle might have had a little bit of play, a little bit of issues going on, but I don't know. So this will pretty much end up today. I think we got somewhere to go tonight or something. I'm not
Going to
100.
eat Japanese barbecue.
Japanese barbecue. Hell yeah, brother. So yeah, we're gonna finish loading up. Mikey Mike's had some mishaps. Maybe you'll see that. Go check out his channel. So once again, give a shout out to NoDrft for throwing an awesome event. The vibes all day, I have to say, were pumped. I was super hyped to be here.
Also, there was not one accident today other than just somebody's
Yeah,
whole
the
tire
last
falling
9 minutes of the day, what we just flicked over to is what happened. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, almost all day, like no crazy mishaps, just a bunch of broken cars and parts.
No
But
fires, no tires going missing or anything.
right, exactly. So I don't know.
Good day.
Yeah. All in all, good day. We shook down the car. Didn't appreciate that, so we'll have to give her some love and see how she comes back. But once again, guys, we appreciate you stopping by. Give us a like if you like the video. Consider subscribing, and if you do, hit that bell for anything that we do. Usually we try to upload on a weekly basis. Sometimes we miss it because, you know, we're just regular people. So, peace.